Okay, so what I'm going to show you is 3 different variations based around the Skeeter rabbit. You may know the Skeeter rabbit, you may not know the Skeeter rabbit. If not, it's fine. We're going to break that down for you today. So with the Skeeter rabbit, you know it goes from 1 to 4, all right? So we'll start 1, 2, 3, 4, and that would be a Skeeter rabbit, all right? The variations which we're going to be doing today may extend it. So the Skeeter rabbit will start the same way and it will end the same way, okay? But in the middle, we're going to have something to make it looking slightly different. We may change direction, we may turn, we may change levels, but at the end of it, you're going to have an understanding of how to do the Skeeter rabbit and make it look interesting with different variations. Okay? All right. So for the first scenario we're going to do is the Skeeter rabbit itself. All right? So we start off from the 1. All we do in terms of your arms, fingers, palms. So all we're going to do is throw this out. All right? So if you see it from the side, it's just this. A bit like you're knocking on a window, knocking on a hard surface. You don't have to flick the wrist like this. You can just punch it out. All right? To give it a bit more character, you can turn the body. Turn the body like so. All right? So we turn the body like so. At the same time, you're going to kick the feet. All right? So the left foot's going to come up the same way. You want to bring the foot out. All right? So all we do is flick the wrist and the ankle. So you flick and kick like so. Flick and kick like so. All right? So the arms, they're very easy. You come out, you come up, a bit like you're curling something. So if you think about lifting something heavy, or you're in the gym and you curl the weight, I like to use that one. All right? We just do this, okay? So you just lift up something like this. So it goes 1, 2, yeah? And then we repeat the same thing. 3 and 4, okay? So remember, we're keeping it basic now. So it's just 1, up, 2, 3, and 4. And if you noticed, I don't stay squared on, all right? I turn my shoulders to give you some dimension, all right? Because this is a 2D. 2, 3, and 4. But you want to make it more interesting, so you want to turn your shoulders, okay? A bit like you're reaching for something which you can't get like this, so you want to do this. So you want to turn your shoulders to get more reach, okay? So it goes 1, up, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? Taking it down to the legs now is very simple. All you do is kick the left, you jump. Now, if you've ever done some cardio in your life and you've done some jogging, this will make sense. So all you're going to do here is a jog. Jog, jog. Okay? We're going to explain it in a second. So all it is kick, like you're kicking a ball, you jump on the side, you jump on the side, then you do a little jog. Jog, jog, and then you want to kick again. Kick, step, step. All right? Now, the jog part of it doesn't have to always look like that. So if you saw when I did it, I went kick, jump, jog, jog, kick, jump, step. All right? You don't always have to bring your foot up. You can just go kick and out and kick, step, step. But because you understand the jog, you know that one foot comes up and the other foot will follow. So I'll do the jog and then I'll do it the second way I did it. So kick, jump, jog, jog, kick, step, step. The second way I did it was kick, jump, foot goes out, and kick, step, step. Now on the and, your foot comes back, all right? If I do it just facing on, it's kick, jump, step, step, kick, step, step. But like I said before, we don't want to just keep it 2D. We want to get that angle in it. Make it more 3D, all right? So we go. Kick, jump, jog, and kick, step, step. Now with the arms, fingers and palms, we go. So remember when we flick, we kick at the same time. So it goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And if you notice, the hands and the feet, they pretty much do the same thing. So when we start out, this comes together. And then the same way when you walk down the street is opposite arm to leg. So it goes 1, and this foot's going to come to play now. So this hand will come to play. Up, and then you want to kick and flick again to go up, and this goes down, this comes up, up. Yeah? So we go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay? And this is one way of doing the Skeeter rabbit. It's like the basic of all basics. All right? Without any of the seasoning on top. Okay? But we're going to get into that in the next section. All right?